In the heart of the ancient world, nestled between the bustling markets of Jerusalem and the tranquil shores of the Sea of Galilee, there existed an age-old feud. It was a conflict as old as time itself, a clash of civilizations that had withstood the test of centuries. The animosity between the Jews and the Samaritans ran deep, a venomous hatred that poisoned the well of human relations. At the center of this divide stood Mount Gerizim, also known as the Mountain of Hate. This was no ordinary mountain. It was a silent witness to the festering hatred that had corrupted the hearts of men for generations. For the Samaritans, Mount Gerizim was a place of worship, a sacred site that held profound religious significance. But for the Jews, it was a symbol of everything they despised. The very sight of the mountain filled them with loathing, for it was here that their ancient rival, the Samaritans, had defied their laws, corrupted their scriptures, and turned their backs on the one true God. And so it was that the people of Jerusalem and the Samaritans lived in a world of their own, separated by the invisible yet impenetrable barrier of prejudice and hatred. Any flicker of affection between a Jew and a Samaritan was extinguished. Before it could take root, for love knows no boundaries, but hate does. Yet in the midst of this animosity, amidst the cacophony of hatred, there emerged a tale of forbidden love, a testament to the enduring power of the human heart. From the bustling marketplace of Jerusalem came Rivka, a young Jewish woman whose spirit burned with the fervor of her faith. She was known throughout the city for her kindness and compassion, qualities that made her a beacon of light in an otherwise dark and turbulent world. But it was in the quiet solitude of her heart that her greatest strength resided, for there she harbored a secret, a love that dared not speak its name. Her heart was captivated by the enigmatic gaze of a Samaritan stranger, who had unknowingly entered her life. Unwilling to let this feeling fade away, she began frequenting the market at dusk, hoping against hope that she might catch another glimpse of him. Meanwhile, on the other side of the divide, in the shadow of Mount Gerizim, lived a young Samaritan man named Ethan. He was a shepherd by trade, a man of few words, his life a simple routine of tending to his flock and seeking solace in the quiet embrace of nature. Little did he know that his solitary existence was about to be turned upside down by the arrival of a Jewish maiden who had dared to cross the forbidden line. Ethan's life took an unexpected turn when he encountered Rivka, a Jewish woman who had crossed over to the Samaritan side of the mountain. Their initial interactions were marked by the weight of their circumstances, each word a tentative step into the unknown. Yet as days turned into weeks, their guarded hearts began to soften. They found solace in each other's company, sharing stories of their people and traditions, bridging the divide that separated them. But their burgeoning love was a dangerous secret, one that threatened to shatter the fragile peace between their communities. Theirs was a love born out of adversity, nurtured in the face of societal disapproval and familial pressure. Their love story became a beacon of hope, a testament to the indomitable spirit of those who dare to defy the odds. As their love deepened, so did the danger that lurked around every corner. The watchful eyes of their communities were ever vigilant, seeking to snuff out the flame of their forbidden romance. The threat of separation loomed large, a constant reminder of the price they might pay for their love. But even in the face of such daunting odds, their love story serves as a beacon of hope, a testament to the unwavering spirit of those who dared to defy the conventions of their time. Would their love story end tragically, or would they find a way to bridge the divide? Only time would tell if their love could conquer all.